Hello, what's going on? It's Jared Havens here, your financial freedom strategist and co founder CEO of Credit Life, a financial wellness company. I am so excited to announce that this Thursday evening at 7 p.m. Central Time, so 8 p.m. Eastern and 5 p.m. West Coast time, we are going to be hosting our mortgage readiness workshop. So if you have a goal of buying a home, even if it's not in the next 30, 60 days, if you have a goal of wanting to buy a home at all, this is the workshop you need to attend. It's going to be a virtual workshop that I host where we're going to go over exactly what you need to know in advance. So when the time comes to apply, you're not only approved, but you're getting the best terms, the best financing, everything. You're going to have more buying power. You're going to be more informed, which will make the process better. Okay. This is absolutely amazing. You do not want to miss this. This Thursday at 7 p.m. Central, the Mortgage Readiness Workshop. All you have to do is click the link below to register, and I will see you there. Thanks so much. See you soon.